Okay, so we're going to show you this right now. Same emblem, as you can see, blue all around. Electric cars, they have that. You're going to open up. Same idea as i5. As you can see, everything is covered. We put the wires for the battery to stay charged while we're showing it. This car is fully loaded as well. And I'm going to unlock this, show you the back underneath. Same idea, same range, same features on it. It's a little bit different, but it has the same motor here for the battery and transmission and everything else. So electrical system to stay charged. It's not easy to design something like that, but when you look at it, it's identical to what i5 was all about. All electric are very similar to each other. And this is what you see underneath. I'm going to put this back, and I hope you like this. I'm going to push this back again, and right here we go. Okay, the second car I'm going to show you, the i7 M60. Same procedure as the i5. They all have the same ideas, the same chargers. And you can see, you can plug it in here, you can plug it in. What you have is an AC and DC, depending on what you have at home. You can plug it in and charge. Most of the time, these are all universal plugs, and it can be charged anywhere, other than Tesla. But you can go anywhere and plug it in and charge. And here it will show you the direction of everything you have. What you see is on the top, yellow means it's being charged, is halfway done. Blue means full charge. Blue plugged in, it shows you the battery on it. And the green means fully charged. And this can be out. So once you plug it in, you can lock it. Close this. And you can close this. And you have it. And once you lock it, nobody can touch it. Nobody can do anything to your car. And this is an i7 M60, and it's a full electric car, and it will give you up to 500 kilometers for this car, and you can drive it away and no problem at all. Okay, so we're going to show you this. As I've just showed you, the 83% charge on this car, and you don't have to do any more. We're going to bring it to the side, and we're going to go to home. We're going to see that the hood is open, and we're going to go back to home again, and we're going to go to charge. So once I press that, it's going to show you the areas reserved for charging stations. This is the closest stations that you can go and charge your car. If you are worried about that I can't find any charge station anywhere, this is exactly what it is. All the information and all the how long it will take you to get there and how far it is. So from here we have anywhere from 1.1 kilometers, 1.2, 1.3. We have flow on Young Street. We have flow Audi on the side, and we can go EV charging station, and we'll tell you how long it will take. These are the charging stations, so you will never get lost, and give you ease for when you're driving. So there's another one for Tesla at Young Street, and then there's EV charging station, and there's another EV charging. There's a charge point here. So this is all the list of every charge station that is available for you to charge your car without worrying that you're going to be short on battery. So the BMW has all the information already set on your navigation system, and it will guide you through of the places that you can go and charge your car. I hope this will find you, I hope this will give you all the ideas that you need and give you a peace of mind. This is one of the best things that you can do on your car. It will also show you that where you can go and how long will it take. Okay, as you can see, most cars that are electric or hybrid, in this case i7, they have the blue badge in the front. Try on your airbags with the BMW logo, blue for electric cars. And what you can see right here, it will show you the 83% charge on the car, and you actually don't have to do anything into it. You can go up to 85% on the car, and you don't have to go 100% completely. Very similar to your phone that you use at home. It will take that long to charge up.